Today's topic is about multiplex PCR or polymerase chain reaction. Here further one more variety of the polymerase chain reaction. So in this PCR, it is using of multiple unique primer sets within a single PCR reaction to produce amplification of varying size specific to the different DNA sequences. Suppose a one particular DNA sample is taken. Now in that sample, a varying size of different DNA sequences are present and all these DNA sequences multiplied in a single run of the PCR. So at a same time, multiple polymerase chain reaction is occurring. So it is called multiplex PCR. Now what is difference between PCR and multiplex? So simply normal in PCR what happen? First double stranded DNA is denatured, then primer is added, annealing will occur. After annealing, particular with the help of polymerase, a new strand of DNA will be synthesized with the help of deoxy NTPs. Now that all about the normal PCR, but in multiplex this process, instead of that single primer set, multiple primer set is added and multiple this double stranded DNA that can be replicated in a single run of the PCR. So same procedure, same thing, that denaturation, annealing and extension will occur, but a multiple DNA sequence will be utilized in the multiplex PCR. So simply you can remember, like in a multiplex theater what happened, at the same time 4 movies are running together, so that audience can view that 4 movies, and that is getting advantage of running 4 movies at the same time. Same way in the PCR, multiplex PCR, at the same time 4 different DNA sequences that can be amplified, or multiple copies of gene that can get. And what is the advantage of this multiplex PCR? By targeting multiple genes at once, additional information may be elicited from a single test run that otherwise would require several times the reagent and technician time to perform. Particularly this technician time to perform, that is greatly reduced when this multiplex PCR is utilized. Particularly the film array is a multiplex PCR system that integrates sample preparation, amplification, detection and analysis. So this technique is utilized as a multiplex PCR. This technique helps in getting quick result in case of infection and sepsis. Particularly in sepsis what happens, simultaneously so many viral and bacterial infection, and that all can be detected with a single run of PCR by using multiple primer set, and that is called multiplex PCR. So that is another variant of the polymerase chain reaction, that is called multiplex PCR.